Hello, so good morning to all of you. This Sponsor Lotto channel, a long weekend, but we are grateful it's time for work again. Okay, so our earlier work around last week plan. You remember last week Tuesday, I took you through a plan that was supposed to drop addition 90, and it was a national transfer from 1999. The addition 90 dropped, but I didn't pick our figures, so I decided to explore further that particular plan. So the continuation of that plan is what is available this morning. But I also have some simple transfer from Asida to Lucky Tuesday. So I'll also put that one over there. If you like it, you take it. It's not my fault. If you like it, you take it. If you like it, you take it. But the national game is my game. The other one is a subsidiary game. So I'll take you through both plans. The one you like, you take it yourself. Alright, so the national plan is very simple. So last week we saw 12 and 78 and double 8 is in between, and we said the 12 and 88 is 78 addition 90. So addition 90 was supposed to drop, and here was 64, 22 and 24, 64, single 2 and then 24 addition 90. So when we came here, we saw the same 12 and 78, and then the 88 finds itself in between, and we said addition 90 was going to drop. Three numbers addition 90 was going to drop, and I think I gave you single 5, 11, 74, and it dropped 69, 18, single 3. It's the same. So the continuation is, so you come to the top here. As you come to the top here on event 1894, you saw a certain single number at first boss. So when you come to the current Tuesday event 938, you saw single 8. So from here, counting with, you saw this parking, center box parking. It's a 4459. Here it is what? 3168. 3167. 3167. Alright. So from the come to the national counting with, you come and see an ending 2, ending 0 pass. So here is 7270. When you come to the current event 956, it is 82 and 20. 82 and 20. You see, addition of, not addition, they are just ending 2, ending 0 packed. Here it is 7270. Here it is 82 and 20. So counting when the addition 90 is here and the 88 is in between. Yeah. Here too you see the same thing. You see an ending 6 at last boss, and here the ending 6 is what? Oh, you see. Okay. Now from here, you see this parking, you add them up, you get addition of 103. 103. So when you come here to 3167, it's addition of what? 98. So the addition 103 and addition 98 is difference of what? 5. The addition 103 and addition of what? 98 is what? 1 is difference of 5. So the addition 103 over here from 168, from 168 will give you 65. So that 65 was the number that dropped over here. You see? Then the indices will be at what? Last loss. So the following week, the same addition 103, you see, from 167 will be the 64 that came right under. So it's like this number went minus 1. You see? So here to this and this addition of 98. So from 168 will give you 70. So here's your 70. You see? So following week, the same addition 98 from 167 will give you this 69. So it will be like this number drop a went minus 1. So I couldn't have imagined that this number will go minus 1. You see, this number will go minus 1. I couldn't have imagined last week. So not knowing that was what was happening. So the number over here, when the number goes from 190, 168 and drop, that number goes minus 1 and drop with two other numbers to give you addition of what? 90. So here 4459, addition of 103 from 168 will give you this. Then follow week, the same number from 167 will give you the other number. You see, so when you are done, it is this packing over here that came to drop 44, 59, 44, 59, 44, 59. So here, after these two numbers went from what 168 and then 169, 167, and they are packed. When you are done, 3167. This 3167, the packing over here, they should come as two directs. So the single number over here, plus the number, the indices at last verse. This single number plus the indices at last verse will give you addition of what? 71. So the addition will go straight and fall under the 78 machine. Therefore, that single 5 was the number that came. You see, this number plus the number over here is a 71. So you should go right under the 78. So go and bring this number. So single 8 over here plus the indices at last box over here is 24. So that 24 should come and land right under the 78 machine. Therefore, go and bring the single 8. So this packing 5, 44, 59. The three numbers all came 5, 44, 59. So here it should be single 8, 31. Single 8, 31 to 7. Single 8, 31 to 7. They should all come. Those three numbers. Now the two ND zeros. The ND 2 ND 0. Here is 82, 80, and here is what? 72, 70. So let's look at something. So first of all, the 72 and the 82. Let me deal with that. So when you come and add these two numbers, when the numbers this packing 65 and then the ending one difference, the difference one numbers. This is addition of 129. And then when you come here, if you sum them up, you get addition of what? 139. You see, and you know that the 72 and the 82 are difference of what? 10. So when you come and see 82 under this one, it means that if you sum up these two numbers and you got addition of 129, from 211 is the 82 over here. So the 82 came under it. You see, so when you come and sum up this and got addition of 139, also from 211 is the 72 over here. You see, so bring the 72 right under this particular numbers over here. Now the ND 0, the 70 minus 4. The 70 minus 4 is a double 6. This 70 minus 4 is a double 6. So bring a 70. You see, this 70 minus 4 is the double 6. So go and bring the 70. So the 20 over here, also minus 6, minus 4 is the 16. So go and bring the 20. So it's like the 82 here came to pick this ND 0 and they came to play 8270. So the 72 over here must come and pick this 20. So this 2072 is another 2 show. So let me just go to the other one. That one is very simple. I don't want to go that far. So look at this one. It's as transferring to Tuesday. I saw this 61. This 61 single 8 packed. Here it is 63 single 8. 61 single 8. You see? 61 single 8. And here is what? 63 single 8. So counting with the 63 will come. You see? The 63 will come. So here too, the 61 will come. You see? The 61 will come here. The 63 will move and come here. Both were under single 8, on top of single 8 and single 8. So when they come, you will see 53, and then 53 and then 26. Here you see double 5 and 28. Double 5 and 28. You see, so they were here. And here you saw this number. So 63 was moving with 53. So this and this were addition of 79. And this were addition of what? 83. But you realize that the number 53 and the double 5 were difference 2. 26 and 28 difference 2. 63 and 61, they were all difference 2. So what is happening? This single 8 counting with will come and drop. You see? So here too, the single 8 counting with will come and drop. So when it drop counting with, you come and see 35 right under it. So here too, you come and see 35 right under it. You come and see 35 right under it. Then you see 7723 machine. So here to 73, double 723 will go under it. So where from these two numbers, the 28 and 55, where from them? And then where from the 26 and then 53? What is happening is that, oh, good. If you come and subtract, you see, if you subtract 8 and 35, yeah. 835. So if you subtract the 8 from this 63, you'll be getting 55. 35 from the 63 will give you 28. So this single 8 from this 63 will give you the single 8 from the 63. So you have 63. So if you subtract single 8 from it, you get 55. So the same 63, if you subtract 35 from it, you'll be getting 28. So the 28 and the 55, they are the ACIDA one. They were with the 61 over here. So 55 and 61, they were with the 61 over here. So the same way, when you go and subtract single 8 and 35, all from this 61 from ACIDA 2, you'll be getting this 53 and then this 26. You see? So it's vice versa. Go and subtract the 8 and 35 from the 61. You see, you'll be getting 53 and this 26. The same way, 8 and 35, all from this 63, will be giving you this 55 and 28 over here. So when the 8 and 35 were packed over here with 723 machine, you saw the 26, 53, and 63. You see? So this 26, 53, and 63, 26, 53, and 63, they all came here. 26, 53, 63. They all came here. So when you now see the same numbers 8 and 35 in Tuesday, this 28, 55 and 61. This 28, 55 and 61. 20, 55 and 61. Go and bring those numbers from ACIDA to Tuesday. Just like the way 63, 53, and then 26 all came to ACIDA 1, 2, 3. The same way 28, 55 and 61 must also come from ACIDA to Tuesday. That's all. So my banker is this 31. My two show is what 31.67. My three direct is 8.31.67. 67. I went to write 37. So single 8.31.67. Single 8.31.67. So another two show is the 2072. So this is my best five numbers spent. 67, 31. Single 8, 20, and 72. My best 5 numbers. So if you want the other one to also try, this is the 3 numbers. 28, 55, 61. It's vice versa. If you like it, try it. 28, 55, and 61. The two show is 28 and 55. God bless all of you. Have a wonderful day. So the national is available. My national is set. Clear two show. And those of you who buy my sponsor paper, the weekend was good for you. The best 10 dropped. My event dropped 3. The best 10 dropped. The event will drop 3. So God bless you. Thank you very much. If you wherever you are, you can look for sponsor paper and buy. Thank you very much.